Hi, good morning, students. I just wanted to go over your Enduring Issues Master Project folder. So now that you picked your topics, you need to do your research. So as we go through this different project scope, I just want to make sure that it's clear today that you read the due dates for the Enduring Issues project, and they're right down here in the folder if you look right here under due dates. So under this due dates section, I'm just going to read this to you quickly. So you know that the timeline of your project is that it has a number of different deadlines. So I wanted to go over some of them with you today. But again, your Enduring Issues project is a profound example of your ability to communicate the significance of an important issue over history. Your personal gifts should be visible in your work, your ability as an effective storyteller, your creativity as a visual presenter, and an amazing change agent. Every aspect of this project fulfills the Bronxville promise to lead, to innovate, to think critically, and to engage the world. And when you reflect back on this ambitious work, you will be proud of the job you did. So the timeline of due dates below is to help follow an effective work pace on researching the 12 events, people, examples, and evidence, all referenced as examples in the timeline for your Enduring Issues project. So each week you'll submit work that will be worth 20 points. You'll have 6 submissions times 20, which equals 120 points. If you hand in work late, you will lose 2 points for each submission, so submit on time. If there are extraordinary circumstances for a late entry, clear this with me in advance. Remember the wise old saying, time is a created thing. To say I don't have time is like saying I don't want to, like Lao Xiao. Be smart and do your work so you don't fall behind. The project in its final form will be worth 100 points. Again, April, this Friday, this past Friday, you met with Miss Mann and she discussed library research information via Zoom. That was completed. You should see that information inside the folder. If you look carefully, you'll see there's a new database page that you can look through. If you have any questions, you can certainly talk to her or you can talk to me. For this Friday, examples 1 and 2 are due. Brief summary of your examples, who, what, when, where, why, and they're important to your story and the positive and negative effects. If you're using your graphic organizer, which I hope you are, you will just update that information in your graphic organizer, which can be found in your folder. If you go back to your original folder, you'll be able to find that information in there as well. So you just go back and you take a look at that folder that you had your original material in, which is the Master Project folder, which is the folder that we have right here. So everything's in one place. So you don't have to turn it in. Just upload it by Friday and I will take a look at it and I'll make sure it's there. During the course of the week, if you get it done sooner, then you can put that information in. But remember, we're looking for quality over quantity, so make sure that you put good details into your information about your different examples. All right, so hope that answers your question. If you'd like to join me live, you can with any specific questions. Thanks a lot.